at Metricool, we use our tool daily in order to plan content across all social networks. In this video, rather than diving in on how to use our most common features, I'm going to take you behind the scenes and share our favorite features that you may not know exist. Hi Metricooler, my name is Aniston and I am part of the team here at Metricool. In today's video, we are going to talk about how the Metricool team uses Metricool. If you're wondering, yes, we use the tool, and in fact, we love it. If you are new to Metricool and don't know anything about our tool or its features, first watch this video to become familiar with our platform. If you're already familiar with Metricool, welcome back. Hopefully you already know how to use Metricool for all your social media work, including scheduling content, replying to messages and comments in the inbox, and analyzing your metrics. Follow me and I'll show you how the Metricool team uses Metricool in our day-to-day tasks to improve our strategy and content. Let's get into it. Programming your social media content is one of our most useful features. The social networking team has its own automated process when it comes to scheduling social media content. To understand our work better, think about a wheel that never stops spinning. First, the marketing team organizes and coordinates all of the content that will go on social networks. This is all grouped in Google Drive documents, allowing us to modify anything in real time, add comments, or mention users in our team. Then we transfer all of the content into the Metricool planner. You know this part already, right? Choose the time and date to post with the best hours, search for the right hashtags, tag users, you know the drill. But did you know that you can publish automatically instead of programming content? By clicking the Publish Now box, the content will be uploaded instantly as if you're doing it directly from the social network. Thanks to this option, we have all of our content in the calendar, both scheduled or published at the moment. When using the Publish Now feature, you can preview your feed before posting so you can modify anything before disaster strikes. If we have an urgency for social media that can't wait, we use the integration of Canva with Metricool. We can create a design in Canva directly and then share it into Metricool. Metricool saves the day. Another feature we like is our trustworthy inbox. While we sit back and enjoy a coffee, we can respond to our followers' comments and feedback through our trustworthy inbox feature. Since all of our content is being published with Metricool, we can engage with our audience and make sure that no messages go unanswered. We also analyze the data we have obtained using our analytics feature and apply the conclusions and insight into new content. Oh, but I almost forgot a trick. Auto lists. This feature allows us to maintain a high posting rate across all social networks. By scheduling content and choosing when we want it to be posted again, it will always be on our feed or wall. Do we really use this though? Of course. When we release a new feature, we are super excited to share it with everyone, everywhere. The more the better. However, our advice is that on each program, modify the text of the auto list to ensure that new features are shared regularly without falling into monotony. The analytical part in Metricool is pretty cool, and as you know, having all the info at the click of a button saves you a lot of time, which you probably don't have if you're doing reports manually. But the interesting thing here is not the data, but the interpretation you make of that and how you implement that into your strategy. So how do we use data and statistics provided by Metricool? One of the main metrics we look at is reach. If we see a post that stands out, we first see if it was promoted, which we can see at first glance in the analytical table. If so, we can repeat the type of content and see if it was a one-time thing or if our audience likes that type of content. This can be either a reel, a carousel, a tweet, or a GIF. Successful posts such as these are important to include in our strategy. Hashtags, for example, are an indispensable element in social media publishing, but more importantly on Instagram or TikTok. The social media team also uses Metricool's hashtag search engine to see what the most popular hashtags are, and then we measure the performance of each tag used. From this info, we know which hashtags to use and which ones to avoid. Instagram stories are another metric that we usually analyze to plan our strategy. This depends on each account since we upload a lot of different stories with different themes. So what we have left is to analyze the performance of each one and see which ones work and which ones didn't. With the analytical information that the Metricool tool gives us, we look at the actions that users have done, if engagement has regressed or increased, and what the story contained to provoke an action. And if this content has worked in a story, we can take it to fix posts in a very easy way that you might not know about. If the story has a text on it when you click more, Metricool will display the content and you can simply copy and paste the content into the scheduler. The competitor metric is also part of our monthly review if we need it at any time. I suppose you've already used it to see what your competition is doing at a general level and if you can get any ideas from their strategy. But did you know that you can see all of the metrics in detail? Click here just below the name of the competitor and voila! How nice! With so many colors and information, now it's time for you to crush your competition. Since the beginning of the month is the time to collect analytics and a monthly report, you know that you can download reports in just one click with Metricool. In the case for us here at Metricool, we use an interesting option for our reports. Since we have so many people on our marketing team, we can add multiple email addresses to the tool automatically so that it sends reports to them. Plus, you can add a personalized message. We use it internally, but you can add your client's email, your boss's email, or whoever you want, and you can add a personalized message. As we mentioned before, if there's something that never fails us in our day-to-day, it's our inbox feature. From here, we manage all the messages and comments we receive on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, as well as Google Business Profile reviews. We do a quick scan of the unanswered messages and comments from the last time we entered. If there are questions we don't know how to answer or need to ask someone for help, we mark it as unread. This is a useful option because the user doesn't see that we read their message, so it doesn't look like we left them unread. One of my personal favorite features, and probably most of the teams, are SmartLinks. Our SmartLinks feature changes almost every day, and we're trying to make it the best that it can be. We use a SmartLink for each social network, and in each one, we add buttons that interest us the most. Why? Because, for example, maybe a link to Instagram isn't smart to link to our Twitter account. We change these links according to planned events or new features. And if we have an upcoming webinar, we place the button with this link at the top so it's the first link that you see. We analyze the metrics we've obtained from each button and look at possible changes. Then we change the position or flip the anchored text to improve these statistics. We customize each smart link depending on the social network we will link it to. For example, in a smart link for Pinterest, we add a cool background and details according to that social network. As you can see, we don't want to admit it, but we love smart links and playing around with all the options. We hoped you enjoyed coming behind the scenes and learning about some of the secrets we use daily here at Metricool. If you try out any of these tips, let us know what you think by dropping a comment below. And make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly marketing and social media tips. Until next time, Metricooler!